Have you ever wished you could understand real English conversations in everyday situations? Today, you will learn 3 longer dialogues that will help you speak with confidence anywhere you go. Introduction. Welcome to this English listening practice. In this video, you will hear 3 detailed conversations that take place in real-life settings. Pay attention to how the speakers ask questions, respond politely, and give information. Let's begin with our first conversation.
Good morning. These vegetables look very fresh today.
Good morning. Yes, everything came in early this morning. What would you like?
I need some tomatoes. I'm making a salad for dinner.
Of course. How much would you like?
Maybe 1 kilo? And can you choose the ripe ones, please?
Sure, no problem. Here you go. Anything else?
Yes. Do you have cucumbers?
Yes, right here. They're very crunchy and fresh.
Great. I'll take 3.
Perfect. Do you also need onions or peppers?
Maybe 2 onions. That should be enough.
All right. Anything more?
No, that's everything. How much is the total?
It comes to $7.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here's your change. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Hi there. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What can I get started for you today?
I think I'll have a latte, please. Medium size.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can you make it with low-fat milk?
Of course. Anything else?
Actually, do you have any muffins left?
Yes, we have blueberry, chocolate, and banana.
I'll take a chocolate muffin.
Good choice. They're very popular.
Thanks. How long will the latte take?
Less than a minute. You can wait at the counter.
Perfect. I have a long day ahead, so I need the energy.
I understand. Here's your muffin. Your latte will be ready in a moment.
Great.
Here you go. Medium hot latte with low-fat milk.
Thank you. How much is everything?
$6.50, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great afternoon.
You too.
Excuse me, do you know how I can get to the City Museum?
Yes, sure. You're actually pretty close.
Oh, really? That's good to hear.
Yes, you need to go straight down this street for about 2 blocks.
2 blocks, okay.
Then you'll see a big fountain on your left.
A fountain? That sounds easy to find.
Yes. After the fountain, turn right. The museum will be the second building on your left.
Great. Is it far from here?
Maybe a 7 to 8 minute walk. Not too far.
Perfect. I want to visit it before it gets busy.
Good idea. Mornings are usually quiet.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a jacket. Something warm, but not too heavy.
Sure. Are you looking for a specific color or style?
Maybe something dark, like black or navy blue. And I prefer something casual.
In that case, let me show you these 2 models. This one is lightweight, but very warm.
Oh, I like this one. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there on the left.
Great, thank you. I'll try it now. 30 seconds later. Okay, what do you think? Does it look good?
Yes, it fits you very well. It's the right size for your shoulders.
It feels comfortable. Is it waterproof?
Yes, it is. And it also has an inside pocket for your phone.
Nice. How much does it cost?
It's $85, but today we have a 15% discount on all jackets.
That's good. Let me calculate. So it becomes around $72?
Exactly.
I like it. But can I see one more? Something a little longer?
Sure. Here's another option. It's warmer, but slightly heavier.
Let me try it. Short pause. This one feels a bit too heavy, I think.
Yes, it's more for very cold weather.
Then I'll take the first one.
Perfect. Would you like to pay now or keep shopping?
I'll pay now, please.
Right this way.
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in for my flight to Toronto, please.
Of course. May I see your passport?
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure. Is it okay?
Let me check. It's 22 kilos, so you're under the limit.
Great. I was afraid it might be too heavy.
Not at all. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, if possible.
Let me see. Yes, we have one available near the middle of the plane.
Perfect.
Do you have any liquids in your carry-on bag?
Just a small bottle of perfume. Is that okay?
Yes, as long as it's under 100 milliliters.
It is.
Wonderful. Your boarding pass is printed. The gate is B12.
And how far is that gate from here?
About a 10-minute walk. Just follow the signs to Terminal B.
Okay. Is the flight on schedule?
Yes, departure is exactly at 5:40 p.m. Boarding starts at 5 p.m.
Great. I still have time to get some food.
Yes, there are many restaurants near the gate.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Hello, I am looking for a new pair of headphones. Mine broke yesterday.
Hi, welcome. Are you looking for wireless headphones or wired ones?
I think wireless, something good for traveling and listening to music.
Great. We have several models. What's your budget?
Maybe around $80 to $120?
Perfect. That gives you good options. Here's a model that's $99. It has noise cancellation.
Noise cancellation. That sounds good. Does the battery last long?
Yes, about 20 hours of continuous use.
Nice. Can I try them on?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, they feel comfortable, and the sound is really clear.
Yes, they are one of our best sellers.
What about this other model? It's cheaper.
That one is $79. Good quality, but no noise cancellation and weaker bass.
I see. And the battery life?
Around 10 hours.
I think the first one is better for me.
I agree, especially if you travel a lot.
Do they come with a warranty?
Yes, 1-year warranty.
Perfect. I'll take them.
Great. Would you like a protective case as well?
Maybe next time. For now, just the headphones.
No problem. I'll ring it up at the register.
Thank you for the help.
Anytime. Enjoy your new headphones.